Good morning students. Welcome back to my new video. In today's video we will discuss the exercises from chapter 18 conjunctions. So now let's begin our video. Hope you all have done your homework. So now check your answers. Exercise 1. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. So here few sentences are given. You have to find the conjunction here and then you have to underline it. You all know what is conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called linking words. These are those words which are used to join words, group of words or sentences. So now let's see the first sentence. I shall teach if you are serious. So here if is your conjunction here. So you have to underline if. It represent a condition here. Not only the teacher but also the students are going for picnic. But now see the third sentence. Birds fly but fish swim. So here but is your conjunction. Will you wait till I return? So here till is your conjunction. Now see the fifth sentence. Hari came and began to dance. Here and. Okay. Now moving to next sentence. Sixth sentence. It is raining, therefore I cannot go to school. So here therefore is your conjunction. Therefore means इसलिए. यहाँ पे आप एक रीज़न दे रहे हैं कि it is raining इसलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं गया या नहीं गई. Now see the seventh sentence. My wife cook while I wash the clothes. So while यहाँ पे आपका conjunction था. यहाँ पे दो sentences एक दूसरे से जुड़ रहे हैं. Now see the eighth sentence. You will catch the flight if you start early. If it represent here condition. Okay. Now see the ninth sentence. Give me something to drink else I shall remain thirsty. Here else is your conjunction. They will never succeed although they work hard. Here although is your conjunction. Although means हालांकि. हालांकि they work hard. They will never succeed although they work hard. ये लोग कभी भी सक्सीड नहीं करेंगे हालांकि उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की. Now moving to exercise 2. In this you have to choose the correct conjunctions from the bracket to fill the sentences. So in bracket two sentences, two words are given. You have to choose the correct word which will suit here. Now see the first sentence. Slow and sturdy wins the race. Second, he is very rich but unhappy. Third, Sheila likes dancing but her sister likes swimming. Fourth, the theatre was half empty as it was raining heavily. Sixth, she regards her brother as her best friend. Seventh, he has been ill since he reached Delhi. Eighth, as soon as she saw the tiger, she shouted. Ninth, the box was heavy, so he could not lift it. 10th, although he was very tired, he could not sleep. Now, moving to exercise 3, here you have to complete the following paragraph using conjunctions. Two paragraphs are given here and blanks are also given. You have to fill that blanks by using conjunctions. So the first paragraph is Saravik is a beautiful place which lies almost on the equator. It has an equatorial climate, but That does not mean it is extremely hot. Third sentence, but heavy rain falls almost every afternoon so that clouds prevent the sun from heating the ground too intensely. Sarvik is rich in natural resources, notably in the interior, and there are huge reserves of hardwood timber. Sarvik is also an oil producer. Great efforts are being made to conserve these resources for generations to come will be able to benefit. Sarvik has been part of the Federation of Malaysia since 1963. Now moving to exercise 4. In this you have to fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Now the first sentence is they went by bus because it was cheaper. So यहाँ पे आप reason बता रहे हैं because cheaper था इसलिए बस से गए. Now see the second sentence, we should not spend more although we earn. Third sentence, doctors' salaries have risen substantially but teachers' pay has actually fallen. Fourth sentence, although knowledge can be acquired from books, skills must be learned through practice. So this is very important point, that although knowledge can be acquired from books, means you can get knowledge from books, but skills must be learned through practice. By doing practices only you will learn the skills. Now see the fifth point, as I smiled she smiled back. Sixth point, when he saw me he waved. Seventh, she was followed by press as she went. Eighth, they asked us although we were worried. Ninth, as soon as you would left I got a phone call from Stuart. 10th, think carefully when you choose. So students, we have completed exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these exercises you have to learn and you have to write in your fair grammar copy, and you have to also write in your book, means your grammar book. And if you have any doubt regarding any exercise, you can ask me in a comment section below the video. Exercise 5th is your homework for today. In that exercise you have to join the sentences by using conjunctions. Two sentences are given, you have to join them by using conjunction. So that exercise is not so tough, you can do it easily. So now I will end this class. And please don't forget to write your name, class with section for your attendance. Thank you students. Have a nice day.